How to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone at once. So if you want to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone at once, then what you need to do is you just need simply have an application which is iMyTrans, or this is a software from where you'll be able to transfer your WhatsApp data from your Android to your iPhone. The whole process will last for a few minutes to a few hours depending on the amount of data that you have to transfer. Just simply click on the transfer button and then proceed with the following steps. Go with restore chat history and then just simply click on done. And yes, just wait for a few seconds to a few minutes. If your data is huge, then it might take a few minutes. Now, once the program has finished transferring your WhatsApp data to the iPhone, it will reboot. So don't worry, all the data on your iPhone will remain the same. Log into the same WhatsApp account as the one you have on your Android. WhatsApp on your Android should have been automatically logged out, but due to the slow internet, it has not logged out, but it will be logged out of your Android device and it will be logged in on your iPhone. That's how you can use iMyTrans to transfer your WhatsApp data from your Android to your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.